Flamingos! Oh no. Oh no, the water. Yummy! Hopefully it's not too wet. It's fast lift hill there actually, look. Maybe not. Oh no, here we go. Oh, okay, it's wet. Oh, I didn't think it was going to be wet. Oh no. Oh, with the lovely poo water.
Shower, get right. Okay. I'm not looking forward to the big drop now.
Hopefully that's not a copyright strike there.
Okay.
Do you want to get licked by the sun?
Where is the sun?
There.
No, the actual sun.
Oh.
I think it's quite good actually. It's a bit wet down there. This would be nice if it was a really hot day.
Yeah.
Oh, lady.
Oh no, here we go, look. That's pretty chill. That's pretty chill. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat, don't rock the boat over. Rock the boat. You always get water, more wet on the little drops, don't you? Always. The big drops usually anticlimactic. Yeah, it's going to be one long POV. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh god, here we go.
Oh no.
Here we go, guys, the part of the POV you've been waiting for. You got Kong over there, Linnet, that spinner there. Pretty good view. Feels like you're in an Assassin's Creed game. And here we go. Oh! Whoa! Yeah, that little drop was way more wet. That was fun though, I like that.